Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul. This is from 3 different Dollar Trees. Went searching for 2 items, found one of the 2 items. And of course, you find other stuff. So, first thing I came across at one Dollar Tree was the little Pom-Poms. These have the glitter tone to them. And then the plain ones. So I got a pack of that each. And I needed some more of these. These are the last 3 that I came across, though. I got them. That's the project that I'm working on as we speak. Throw them over there. Then I come across these that I thought were cool. I can add. I think I got 2 packs of those. Yeah. 2 packs of those. The project I'm working on. And then I needed red lights, and I found 2 packs of the red lights. I already have one put to use already because I wanted to see what it looked like, and it looks awesome. Got that. I needed some straws, and I was hoping to find Halloween straws, but I didn't. But I found gray ones, so I can work with them. And then found 3 packs of the poinsettias. They're kind of just twist on, but I'm thinking I can work with that. Got 3 of them. And then I got the Christmas trees. I got the Santa. I got the snowman. And then we have new stickers, guys. New Halloween stickers. And I got lucky because somebody they weren't on the aisle. It looks like somebody grabbed them and then maybe changed their mind. Because I was looking through them. I saw them sitting there. I was like, oh, I'll take these home with me. So we got this one. The little googly eye guy. I even went back to the aisle. They didn't have any. So I got lucky. We got this little one. It's kind of, I don't know what you call that. Another googly eye one. We got this one. And then this one. Cool. And then this one. I want it like the 31st. So that was cool. And then this one. I needed some paint. Black. I was almost out of my black. They only had 3. I went 3 different dollar stores. I found 1 bottle each. Oh, and a green. That's dark green. Only 2 bottles of black and a whole 3 Dollar Trees in Green Bay. So, I think there's 3 of those. Oh, so I got that. I'm going to order me a big jug of black from Michael's and just be done with it. The other day, I bought those little faces that you can put on that are felt to create faces, and I was short in pumpkin, so I grabbed another one of them. And then, also Christmas related, was the rocks. This one has a Christmas tree on it. This one says the Elf Squad. This one says Mary. The kids and I are going to do the fall ones, and then we're going to register them and then leave them somewhere. And then I was telling Sabrina I was looking for these. Mine didn't have them. And I actually got 2 packs. I opened one in the car when I was waiting for Scott. He had to go to Home Depot, so I waited in the car, and I wanted to see if it actually would work as a syringe. So I may keep a couple just for crafting, but I want to do some sort of Halloween thing with them. So I bought 2 packs of that. And then I picked up some tissue paper for in the future. I thought this one was kind of pretty with the different colors. And then this one. And then this one. I ain't done yet. I had to get Allie a new t-shirt because we were doing that where you put the wood on the t-shirt, and I screwed up. So I got her an orange one. I bought some gnome lights and all. Sabrina picked me up a few too, but I grabbed 2 of them. And then, this is the hunt. I've been hunting and I found. So I'm so stoked. I found 6 of the truck material. So 3 are probably Sabrina's, 3 are mine. And I was able to get 2 of the pumpkins and 2 of the scarecrow. Let's check out, just in case you haven't seen these. I'll show you, just in case. Here is the truck. Love it. Rita's been hunting these for me, and she hasn't had any luck. And today I got lucky. This was my last. This was a bonus Dollar Tree store. I forgot we're going past her. Scott goes, "Did you find your skull yet?" And I'm like, "No." And he's talking to our insurance guy because we're updating our house, our renter's insurance, our car insurance, our cargo trailer insurance, and all that. And the guy calls, so he had to pull in a parking lot anyway. So I went into the Dollar Tree, and then we got this one with the pumpkins, and then this one with the little scarecrows. Ooh, so cute. So that is my haul. Yep. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday, right? Is it Thursday? It's Thursday. Wow, I am such a day behind. A wonderful Thursday. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Bye.